Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to select all negative numbers in Excel. Sometimes there are many positive numbers and negative numbers in a range in Excel, and we want to select, copy or delete those negative numbers. So here in this video I am going to show you how to select all negative numbers with if formula and also with the Kutools for Excel. So let's get started. Open your workbook. I have the positive and negative numbers in column A, B and C. First we will apply the if formula. In a blank cell, enter the formula equals to start if formula and the formula bracket open, and select the first negative number in cell A2. Select the number is less than 0, comma. Again select this number, comma. Open and close double quotation marks and close the bracket, and then press the enter key. Now select the same range from the formula cell as these numbers range. Go to Home tab, click on Fill, down and fill right. Copy the formula to every cell in the range of F2 to H10. So here all the negative numbers are copied, and paste each negative number in corresponding position. Now we will learn how to select all negative numbers with Kutools. If you have installed Kutools for Excel, so first select the range, click the Kutools, select tools and select specific cells. In the select specific cells dialog box, check the cell option, select the less than and here enter the 0. Click on OK or apply button. Then it selects all negative numbers in the selection at once. That meet criteria. Once selected, you can apply other operations such as formatting or deleting. So these are the methods to select negative numbers. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel.